Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. This is the last lecture based on the Karnataka TET most expected questions from new syllabus point of view for 2024. Now we can take this class as a last minute revision also. This is a science class, specifically biology class, which is based on new syllabus. So in this class we are going to discuss most expected questions and which are very important from 2024 exam point of view. Let me give you the answer to the question from the previous class, which was given as assignment. The question was, what is the process called when a heavy nucleus splits into two smaller nuclei? Of course, the answer to this question is a fission, which is a nuclear fission in which the nucleus is splitted into two smaller nuclei. Many aspirants gave the correct answer to this question, and among them the first one was Mr. Gangadhar. And also we have discussed about the thermoplastic and thermosetting polymer in the previous class. Aspirant Vasundhara has given us the examples as we asked you to give the examples in the comment section. Very good examples are given. Thermoplastic polymer examples are polyvinyls, polystyrene and polyethylene. And for thermosetting polymer examples are bakelite, urea, formaldehyde, resins, etc. Okay. So I want to congratulate both the aspirants. Kudos to both of you, and we are sure that you will be qualifying TET this time because we can see your hard work and how you are spending time in preparing for your exam by watching our classes and giving the comments. All the best. Okay. And on this note, I want to remind you all that if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it right now, and also share our videos among other aspirants who are preparing for TET, and also like our videos if you want more classes. Okay, so let us start the session with the first important question based on biology. The question is, what is the basic unit of classification in biology? Options are kingdom, class, species and family. Here the question is that you should tell which is the basic unit. Basic unit means the ground level unit. It is a species. If you know about the classification in biology, there will be a ulta triangle wherein the classification start with the species and it ends with kingdom. Take it as an assignment and learn the units of classification one by one in order. Okay, it is very important. Next question. Which tissue type is responsible for transmitting impulses in the body? The options which they have given are muscular, nervous, epithelial and connective tissue. So here you should note down that the tissue which is responsible for transmitting impulses in the body is a nervous tissue. Okay, because see, transmitting impulse means it should be related to our nerves only, right? With that logic also you can give the correct answer to this question. Okay, so the answer is option B, nervous tissue. Next question. This is also a very important question. Where does photosynthesis occur in plant cells? The options which they have given here are mitochondria, ribosomes, chloroplast and nucleus. See, all the four options are the parts of a cell, okay, of a plant cell. Here you should give the option where in the part where the photosynthesis is happening in plant cell. So to answer this question, you should be knowing the process of photosynthesis. That is, it is the process where the food is prepared by plants in the presence of sunlight, and they use chlorophyll, and the place in the plant cell where this photosynthesis happens is a chloroplast. Okay. The word chloro should also give you indication because we are talking about sunlight and chlorophyll for preparation of food. The process is photosynthesis. So chloro should also give you an indication to the correct answer for this type of a question. Okay. Next question. What process involves the movement of water through a plant from roots to leaves? So the options which they have given are very interesting. Translocation, transpiration, photosynthesis and respiration. The question is that you should know the process which is involving the movement of water through a plant from roots to leaves. The correct answer to this question is transpiration. Okay. Now here you should know what is translocation, what is photosynthesis and what is respiration also. Photosynthesis though we have already told you. Now you should look out for what is translocation and respiration when we talk about plants. Okay. Respiration will also give you a clue because in humans also respiration means taking in and throwing out the air, right? So respiration will also be easy only for you. Now you take an assignment to know about what is actually translocation. Okay, transpiration is movement of water through plant from roots to leaves. Then what is translocation? That you should take it as an assignment because it is a very important point and it can be asked in your exam. Okay. Another question. What is the primary function of red blood cells? So what is the main function of red blood cells? The options which they have given are defense against pathogens, blood clotting, transporting oxygen, digesting food. So here the correct answer will be transporting oxygen. Okay, it is a very important point. You should know that the main function of red blood cells is to transport oxygen in our body. Okay, how do they transport? They transport from heart to the rest of our body. Okay. Next important question. What type of plants produce seeds but do not have flowers? The options which they have given are ferns, gymnosperms, algae and bryophytes. See, in options they have not given angiosperms. So there is no need of any confusion here. If there was gymnosperm and angiosperm in the option, then you should have getting some confusion about which is the type of plant which is producing seed but not flowers. Here you don't have that confusion, right? So the correct answer is gymnosperms because these are the plants which produce seeds but did not have flowers. Whereas angiosperms are those type of plants which are having flowers. Okay, clear, right? And now you take it as an assignment to know about all the important points related to what are ferns, algae and bryophytes. Okay. Next important question. Which of the following is a characteristic of mammals? Cold-blooded, lay eggs, have feathers, produce milk. See, very important point is that the mammals' character is that they produce milk. Very important it is, and we human beings also come under mammals only. Okay. Another most expected question. This is from reproduction. The question is, where does fertilization usually occur in the female reproductive system? Ovary, uterus, stomach, fallopian tube. So which is the correct answer here? See, the fertilization is occurring in female in a fallopian tube. Okay, it is usually a fallopian tube. Okay, it is a very important point. Another question. This is also a most expected question this time. Which enzyme is used to cut DNA at specific sequence? So the options are DNA polymerase, RNA polymerase, ligase, restriction enzyme. The correct answer to this question is restriction enzyme. It is also known as a molecular scissor, which is used to cut DNA at one particular sequence. Okay. So here you should know what is the full form of DNA, what is the full form of RNA, okay, and you try to know more about restriction enzyme. Take it as a assignment, okay. Another important question. What hormone promotes the ripening of fruits? So I am expecting this question this time. This is also a very important question. So the four options are the names of the hormones only. Auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin and ethylene. But the hormone which is having the characteristic of ripening the fruits, means it is actually helping the fruits to ripen, is ethylene. Okay, so nowadays what these fruit sellers do, they take the unripe fruits, they keep it in one room and they artificially sprinkle this ethylene on them, and then the fruits get ripened. Okay, now you should know what is the work of auxin, gibberellin and cytokinin. Take it as a assignment. Okay, so all these are hormones. Okay. Another question. What is the main gas responsible for the greenhouse effect? This is also one of the most important question, and it has been asked multiple times in different manner in TET also. So you should tell me the correct answer for this question in the comment section. The options given are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and helium. Okay, I'll be happy to know your answers in the comment section. Okay friends, these were the most important questions from biology, and I really hope that this discussion helps you in your exam. Okay then, I really hope that you all are preparing for your exam nicely. Thank you. All the best. Bye.